Good morning everyone, my name is Diya Kharai and today I am going to present my PPT on science and the topic is endocrine glands in human body, their hormones and actions. Now the first question which arises is what are endocrine glands? A network of ductless glands that secrete chemical messengers called hormones directly to the bloodstream are known as endocrine glands. Now, what are these chemical messengers known as hormones? The chemical messengers that travel through the body to react to reach specific target areas to maintain a stable internal balance in the body are known as the hormones. This is the diagram of some major endocrine glands, but in this PowerPoint presentation we are going to know about only 6 major endocrine glands. And number 1 is pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, ovary in females and testes in males. So this is the diagram of pituitary gland. As you can see, it is located in the brain. Now what is pituitary gland? Can anybody tell what is the another name of pituitary gland? Okay, there.
Master gland.
Yes, as Harry said, that pituitary gland is known as the master gland of the body. It is located at the base of the brain. The hormones secreted by pituitary gland are LH, the full form of LH is luteinizing hormone, FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, GH, growth hormone, and TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. The function of pituitary gland is to control the growth and regulation of other endocrine glands. Now the second major endocrine gland is thyroid gland. Seeing this picture, can anybody tell me that where is thyroid gland located? Okay, Divyanshi. Neck. Yes, the correct answer is neck. Now what is thyroid gland? Thyroid gland is a large butterfly-shaped endocrine gland which is located in the front part of the neck just below the larynx. Larynx is the voice box present in the neck. The hormone secreted by thyroid gland is known as thyroxine. The function of thyroid gland is to control the body's metabolic rate, and metabolic rate means that how quickly the body uses energy. Now, the next endocrine gland is adrenal gland. Now, what is adrenal gland? Adrenal gland are the small endocrine glands that are located on the top of each kidney. As I said that adrenal glands are located on the top of each kidneys. These are the kidneys and these are the adrenal glands. The hormone secreted by adrenal gland is known as adrenaline. And the function of adrenal gland is to control the body's emotions like fear and sadness. Can anybody tell that which hormone controls the emotions of the body like happiness, sadness, anxiety? Yes, Shreya.
The hormone adrenaline controls our emotions.
Yes, the correct answer is the hormone adrenaline. Now the next adrenal gland is now the next endocrine gland is pancreas. Now what is pancreas? The pancreas is a long-leafed endocrine gland that is located behind the stomach in the abdomen. The hormone secreted by pancreas is known as insulin. The function of pancreas is to decrease blood sugar level by helping the cells absorb the glucose. Has anybody heard of a person who is suffering from diabetes? Yes. The increase of sugar level in the body causes diabetes and the hormone insulin decreases the blood sugar. So the hormone insulin controls the blood sugar level by helping the cells absorb glucose. Now the next endocrine gland is ovary in females. Now what are ovaries? Ovaries are a pair of primary reproductive organs on both sides of the lower abdomen of a female body. The hormone secreted by ovary is known as estrogen and progesterone. The function of ovary is to help in development of the female sexual organs and the menstrual cycle. The next endocrine gland present in the male's body is testes. Now what is testes? In the plural form of the plural form of testis is testes. The testes are a pair of primary reproductive organs located outside the lower abdomen of a male body in a sac-like structure known as scrotum. Yes, sorry. Please tell them how many testes are present in a male body.
There are two testes in the male body.
Yes, the answer is correct. And the hormone secreted by testes is known as testosterone. The function of testes is to help in the development of male sexual organs and sperm production. I hope that you understood something interesting in my PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening so patiently.